Let's explore the steps to execute a straighten park to the right. When executing a straighten park to the right, start by signaling right in advance. Next, check for any oncoming traffic. Once the road is clear, maneuver as far to the left as possible to create space. Align your front bumper or passenger side mirror, depending on the size and turning radius of your vehicle, with the right parking space lane. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and let the vehicle slowly creep into the parking stall. Always remember to cover the brake as you enter and exit the parking space. Once you're in the stall, straighten your tires. To exit, check your mirrors and blind spots and reverse straight back until your front bumper clears the back bumpers of any adjacent parked vehicles. Turn the wheel left or right based on your desired direction and exit the parking space.